Hi everyone, my name is Stephen. This video campaign designed for fast food industry Subway. Subway is an American fast food restaurant that primarily sells sandwiches. There are two advertising objectives for Subway to achieve. The first one is improve the brand awareness. The second is to create effective communication to customers in order to invoke their behaviors. Subways use different message strategies to deliver the right information to their target audience, such as USP, positioning, brand image, and resonance. For example, the brand image and positioning strategy based on healthy attributes of their product will reinforce the healthy concept in consumers' mind. Eat fresh as Subway's business slogan shows up in each advertising campaign, as well as healthy and fresh ingredients. The target audience of Subway is the people who are aged from 18 to 40, live or worked in the urban areas with a busy life pace. Also, they have healthy lifestyles. Eating healthy is really necessary for them, and they may go to the gym every day. The key insight of Subway is Subway should continually develop new healthy products to attract new customers and maintain their traditional stuff in high standard level. Consumers will be attracted by the fresh and healthy features of the product. Subway did a great job with what they promised to the customer, and the positive confirmation and feedback about Subway from customers will confirm that point. Therefore, it can be assumed that the campaign has made a clear link to the theory. Also, the positioning strategy for Subway is based on price and quality. Product users are quite fit in with the target audience because the Subway gives them a cheaper price but a healthy product. Although Subway depends on the trust from their customer instead of advertisement, but if they could distribute more money on advertising, they could gain more customers. Moreover, Subway could exposure more advertising before the lunchtime and dinner time during each day to hook the audience. Post-campaign evaluation can be used for Subway's advertising campaign, since the customer certification and brand awareness of Subway in Australia has a stable growth in the last 5 years, which demonstrates Subway did a great job to improve the customer's awareness. Subway's campaign used regional appeal to the target audience such as convenience, economy, and healthy to emphasize the practical use of the product, as well as emotional appeal to relate the consumer's psychological needs. This campaign appealed to the personal feelings of happiness and pressure of eating fresh, again tapping into the consumer insight. The positive feeling created by the advertisement have a positive effect on consumers' perception of the brand. The tone of the campaign reflects the brand personality of easygoing, enjoyable, and fun, which the target audience are looking for in a product. Additionally, the advertisement minimally uses demonstration techniques to show the product in operation, also use a slice of life and imagery to provide the audience with a real-life situation of having lunch and how to eat fresh, relating back to the consumer insight. As for the recommendation for creative strategy, Subway could use some humor appeals in the campaign. Humor appeals piques consumers' interest and increase the comprehensive of advertisement. If people feel good about an advertisement, they will tend to think positively about the brand. Subway could efficiently both use traditional media such as TV, broadcast, and newspaper, and use social media such as Facebook. The use of TV could allow the campaign reach their target audience as well as to exposure all the demographic through mass coverage. Consumers can get a strong impact from the site and the favorable image. The use of broadcast and newspaper can increase the likelihood of reach the intent audience. Moreover, the newspaper and radios may have more local favors compared with other media channels. The disadvantage of use traditional media is that it may not efficiently reach their target audience, and the exposure time cannot be guaranteed. Therefore, finding a suitable time to exposure those advertisements may be a potential solution. Another media strategy for Subway is use more social media, such as Facebook. With over 800,000 followers on Facebook, becoming more active and engaging with the customers will enhance the brand reputation. 97% of social media users have Facebook, and they use the site at least 20 times a week, creating a major platform for advertising. Facebook also allows Subway to target their audience by other useful information, such as locations and relationships.